Crypto crash survivors could become tomorrow's Amazons. BOE says the survivors of the rout in cryptoassets should grow to be the generation corporations of the destiny rivaling Amazon.com Inc. Nasdaq, AMZN, and eBay Inc. Nasdaq, eBay. Bank of England Deputy Governor John Cunliffe said. Cunliffe has compared the crash that has wiped more than $1 trillion off the cost of Bitcoin and different cryptocurrencies this 12 months to the dot-com collapse at the start of the millennium. The analogy for me is the dot-com increase, whilst $5 trillion become wiped off values, Cunliffe said on the Point Zero Forum in Zurich on Wednesday. A lot of corporations went, but the generation didn't depart. It got here returned 10 years later, and those that survived the Amazons and the eBays became out to be the dominant gamers. He carewarned that crypto generation has massive programs and ability in the monetary area, despite the fact that the market is wobbling in the meantime. Whatever occurs over the next few months to crypto assets, I expect crypto era and finance to keep. Cunliffe stated, it has the possibility of large efficiencies and modifications in marketplace shape. The BOE is growing plans for its personal retail crucial bank digital forex and will deliver a session paper at the give-up of the year. One key problem beneath investigation is whether or not to provide a totally independent CBDC with an on or off ramp to fiat, cash or simply something that is flexible enough to be used in personal stablecoins. Cunliffe gave an example of stablecoins which are integrated into supply chain and logistics systems to maximize performance. We couldn't provide something that does all the ones things, he stated. The query is, are you better off having personal stablecoins to be extra optimized in certain regions, which then link lower back to a vital bank ledger in some manner? Or should we offer the bottom? Cunliffe said, the big philosophical question regulators face is whether or not to allow completely disintegrated agreement, which would mean regulating the AI code in the back of the crypto technology. I even have the identical self-assurance in that as a fully automated pilotless plane from London to Zurich, or a totally driverless automobile, he stated. I need to recognize wherein the liability is if the algo is going wrong and I crash. My sense is on the way to be very tough for the regulatory device to move inside the close to future. Copyright 2022 LP.